So we're about to start this rhinoplasty. You can see it's got a hump. He also desires a sharper tip and a narrower nose, a slimmer nose. We're planning an open structure rhinoplasty for him. He has blocked nostril on one side, so it's going to be a septoplasty as well. We're going to be doing septal harvest too. Just completed with his cosmetic nose job. You can see how we've got him a nice male dorsum, straight dorsum, pointy tip, narrow nose and less wider nose. We're going to show you the side view. So you can see the improvement. So work at the radix, he had a small hump. We also corrected and refined the tip. Now we're going to show you the front view. So you can see the hump that's gone. We've improved the dorsal aesthetic lines. We've improved the tip and we've narrowed the nose, both at the alar base region and also at the nasal bone level. Now we're going to show you the basal view. Again, you can see a lot of improvement. So you see the tip is really being propped up, made the nasal proportions better. Let me show you the front view once more.